Hello, my name is Egils, I'm dance teacher, and today we continue our video series about variations in standard and Latin dances. You want interesting and attractive dance routines from figures which are described in technique books? Don't miss this video series and enjoy sound technical demonstration by Edgars, Linis and Eliza Ancane, our current Latvian champions in standard dances and also former Latvian 10-dance champions in youth group. Let's start with tango routine number 1. Natural twist turn to closed position, back Corte with open finish, then outside swivel, tap in promenade position and closed promenade. Slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, slow, slow and slow, quick, slow. Man steps, man starts with left foot from promenade position, to side in promenade, forward in promenade, to side, cross behind, untwist, to side, back to side, forward outside partner, back, forward and tap in promenade, to side in promenade, forward in promenade, to side, close. Lady starts from promenade position with right foot, to side in promenade, forward and turn, forward between man's feet, forward to side, back, forward and swivel, forward and tap in promenade position, to side in promenade, forward in promenade, to side, close. And now let's look again with teaching count. And slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, slow and slow, quick, slow. And now let's look at rhythmical expression in twist turn. Man can do quick and when he crosses foot behind and it becomes much sharper action. Slow, quick and slow, quick, slow. Ladies timing, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow. And now whole routine with teaching count. And slow, quick and slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, slow and slow, quick, slow. And now let's thank my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to do free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance video.